The Honorable High Court today, in a very historic judgment, has held the writ petitions filed by all the petitioners have been dismissed. It has framed about 4 questions for its consideration. Two of the prominent questions were one of them was whether wearing of hijab forms part of essential religious practice under Article 25. The court has answered that question in the negative, holding that wearing hijab does not form part of Article 25 and does not form part of essential religious practice. Secondly, it has held that institutional discipline prevails over individual choice. Students do not have the right of wearing attire of their choice in violation of institutional discipline. Thirdly, it has upheld the order of the state government by which state government had left the prescription of uniform to each of the school authorities. Lastly, it has dismissed the petition upholding all the contentions of the state government. Thank you so much.